Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of your English learning journey. Today, I will help you practice speaking English with confidence and comfort. You don't need to memorize difficult words or perfect grammar right now. Instead, focus on understanding real conversations, building natural sentences, and thinking in English. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding confidence in speaking English. Speaking English is not only about grammar rules and vocabulary. It is about confidence. It is about expressing your thoughts clearly, even with simple words. Imagine you are talking to a friend. You want to tell them how your day was. You don't need fancy words. You just need to be clear and natural. For example, you can simply say, I went to the market today. It was very crowded. I bought some fruits and vegetables. This is simple, clear English. And that's exactly what fluent speaking means, being able to express your ideas smoothly. Part 2. Everyday English in action. Now, let's talk about how we use English in daily life. Think of these situations. Situation 1. Talking about your morning. You can say, I woke up at 7 a.m. I made a cup of tea and read the newspaper. Then I got ready for work. Here, you are describing your routine using past tense. This helps you talk about your day naturally. Situation 2. Asking someone about their plans. You can say, what are you doing this weekend? Or, do you have any plans for tomorrow? These are real sentences that native speakers use daily. The goal is to feel comfortable using them. Part 3. Speaking without fear of mistakes. Many learners hesitate because they fear mistakes. But let me tell you something important, mistakes are part of learning. Even native English speakers make grammar mistakes. The difference is, they don't stop speaking because of fear. You should focus on fluency first, accuracy later. So, if you want to say, yesterday I go to market. That's okay. You can correct it later too. Yesterday I went to the market. But the most important thing is, you spoke. You tried. And that's how improvement begins. Part 4. Learn English by speaking about your life. You don't need to wait for someone to speak with you. Just describe your life in English. Talk about what you did yesterday, what you are doing now, what you plan to do tomorrow. For example, yesterday, I watched a movie at home. It was a comedy, and I really enjoyed it. Today, I am learning English for 15 minutes. I want to speak better. Tomorrow, I will visit my friend. We will have lunch together. Speaking about your own life helps your brain think in English. It becomes your habit. And when English becomes a habit, you speak naturally. Part 5. Thinking in English. One powerful way to improve speaking is to stop translating from your native language. Try to think directly in English. How? Start with small things. When you look at your room, don't think ye merry coursie high and then translate. Just say, "This is my chair." When you feel hungry, say in your mind, "I am hungry. I need to eat something." This daily habit builds your inner English voice. And soon, your speaking will become smooth. Part 6. Talking to yourself. Yes, it's okay to talk to yourself in English. In fact, it's one of the best ways to practice. You can say things like, "What should I wear today? I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Let me finish my work first. I need to clean the room." Talk to yourself when you're walking, cooking, or sitting quietly. This builds fluency. Part 7. Speaking with emotions. Speaking English is not only about words. It's about how you say them. Use emotions. Speak with feeling. Instead of saying flatly, "I'm happy," try saying it with energy. "I'm really happy today." Don't be afraid to use your voice. Express your mood. English becomes more beautiful when it is full of emotions. Part 8. Storytelling in simple English. Let's talk about how you can use storytelling to improve your spoken English. For example, tell a small story about something that happened to you. "Last week, I went to a wedding. It was beautiful. The decorations were colorful. I met many relatives. The food was amazing. I had a great time." Look at this short story. No difficult words. Just clear ideas. Try to tell one story every day about your school, work, family, or a memory. That's your real speaking practice. Part 9. Questions to practice every day. Here are some simple questions you can ask yourself daily. What did I do today? What did I learn today? What do I want to do tomorrow? What makes me happy? What do I enjoy doing? Answer these in English. Speak aloud or record your answers. You will see improvement in just a few weeks. Final part, your daily English habit. So, my friend, remember this. Speak English every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. Talk about your life. Think in English. Don't fear mistakes. Use simple words with confidence. Enjoy the process. Speaking English is not a one-day achievement. It's a daily practice. But with consistency, you will see big results. You have the power to speak English fluently. Just start today. Thank you for spending these 15 minutes with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep growing. See you soon in the next episode. Take care and happy learning.